Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if x raised to the power 2 times x to the power 4 is equal to 16, then find the value of x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this exponential equation. Our given algebraic equation is x raised to the power 2 times x to the power 4 is equal to 16. So student, to find the value of x from this exponential equation, so first of all we have to take square on both sides of this equation. So after taking square on both sides of this equation, we can write on the left hand side x raised to the power 2 times x to the power 4 whole to the power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write 16 to the power 2. To simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So according to this formula, we can write on the left hand side x to the power 2 times x to the power 4 times 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we get 256. So after that, on the left hand side we can write x raised to the power 4 times x to the power 4 is equal to, so student, on the right hand side we can write 4 to the power 4 in the place of 256. And after that, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side x raised to the power 4 whole to the power x to the power 4 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 4 to the power 4. By comparing on both sides of this equation, we can write in here x to the power 4 is equal to 4. To find the value of x from this equation, we have to take power 1 over 4 on both sides of this equation. So now we can write from this equation x to the power 4 whole to the power 1 over 4 is equal to, on the right hand side we get 4 to the power 1 over 4. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, again you have to apply this formula. So according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side x to the power 4 times 1 over 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 over 4. On the left hand side we get x is equal to, on the right hand side according to this formula we can write in here 2 to the power 2 times 1 over 4. We can write from this equation x is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 2, that is square root of 2. So student, the value of x will be square root of 2. To check this solution, we have to put the value of x is equal to square root of 2 on the left hand side of the given equation. So student, the left hand side of the given equation is x raised to the power 2 times x to the power 4. If you put the value of x is equal to square root of 2 in this exponential form, then we get square root of 2 whole to the power 2 times square root of 2 whole to the power 4. So we can write in here square root of 2 whole to the power 2 times square root of 2 whole to the power 4, that is 4. And after that we can write in here square root of 2 whole to the power 8 is equal to, we get 2 to the power 4, that is 16, which is the right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, proved. That means x is equal to square root of 2 is the correct solution of the given equation. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.